All right, all right, all right. Market's pushing down a little bit. We got some questions on the board. Market's is about to close. So somebody's looking for some support on Tesla. It looks like the whole country is supporting Tesla. But I'm going to show you on a daily. Wow, dude. I mean, you got to fear this gap right here, you know. So, I mean, on a daily, your next support, your first support on Tesla, is 866.37. So, you know, I mean, you could look at gaps and really consider them support. So, really, I guess your next support would be the low of today, which is 944.20. Breaking that, you could look for it to close the gap. That would be your second support, and then probably around this congestion right here at 804 area, plus or minus. This might be a minor support right there. Oops, excuse me. Fading out, ready for my milk and cookies. But that's pretty huge. Huge, huge, huge. If we look at a 60, let's see what we got over here. It's just parabolic, man. I would still hold the gap as support. That would be my support. And that's how I would look at it, guys and girls. SPX. I mean, you can see how the momentum histogram is fading. There's not that much energy behind it, or as much as before. But really, people could just be sitting on the sidelines waiting for earnings and then get behind this thing. That's a powerful daily bar. It's not what I was looking for today, and it just shows a consistent upward movement. I mean, hard to tell where this baby's going. Look at that, man. Look at that. That's huge. You can consider that a consolidation, and then it took off right there. But I'm still arguing that this thing is overextended on the dailies. But I'm not getting an extreme indication, so it could just grind up a few more days, man. It's killing me, killing me, killing me, killing me. Just blowing up my plans. I'm not making no money. Well, I made money on directionals, but I don't look at that. That's kind of just gravy. I like my trading program to be consistent. I am looking at stuff, but it's too scary. Way too scary. And let's take a look at the 10-year. 10 years pulled back a little bit. There's my bullish line right there. That's a reasonable retrace. Might be heading down for 1590 or 1.59. Might be a rabbit. I don't see anything there. You could see that the 60-minute is in an obvious downtrend. It looks like it's going to make another leg right here, down. So we might come in clocking this right here. So that's 1.61 or so. But that pull down will keep the NASDAQ pushing up. So anyway, that's it. I'm getting tired. I'm pretty groggy. I slept real good last night too. So anyway, I hope everybody's calm and cool. And I definitely recommend a little meditation before you trade. You should be at peace when you're trading. And hit the bell, hit the subscribe, hit the like. because it goes a long way. And hit me up tomorrow at 9:30, and we'll see what's up. And good luck trading.